unfolds in colors true. Pine cones painted gold and red so bright. Crafted love in every single light. Yarn and jingle bells hanging just so. Tinsel twists around the branches low. Old mason jars shine with candlelight. Handmade memories warm this winter night. We spread cheer from our hands to the tree, crafting joy for our hearts to see. Each ornament tells a story of its own. Together in love our hearts have grown. Rustic twine wrapped sweetly round the pine. Popsicle stick sleighs dangle in a line. Gingerbread men wearing tiny hats. Lace angels sit on branches fat. Threads of laughter woven in each piece. This is where love finds its release. Folded paper, snowflakes, light and free. Decorations made by you and me. We spread cheer from our hands to the tree, crafting joy for our hearts to see. Each ornament tells a story of its own. Together in love our hearts have grown. Our hearts have grown. Little hands with paper, stars and glue. Wonderland unfolds in colors true. Pine cones painted gold and red so bright. Crafted love in every single light. Yarn and jingle bells hanging just so. Tinsel twist around the branches low. Old mason jars shine with candlelight. Handmade memories warm this winter night. We spread cheer from our hands to the tree, crafting joy for our hearts